Ngibonana uphumlane lona. Hey guys, hayi khona mfuqa mamango EASYEQUITIES khona ama stocks ala eSouth Africa ayakhambi kahle guys. Akuhambi kahle. Yabona nje umuthi ubuka nje ku EASYEQUITIES ku red. Portfolio yami ya lose strong, but I'm not selling, I'm just waiting. Vela mina ngi-investor le long term. Sanibona ninjani uphumlane ngikhuluma naye. Bengicela nje usathi usalalela ubupressa lapho ulike no subscribe. Please ngiyayicelela. So yeah, siqhubeke sidlulele phambili. I-TFSA ka-TFSA akufani nakhona, ikhona i-profit nyana but ayiningi ngalo ndlela, but at least we in the greens. Lana kushiwo ukuthi we in the blues too, we in the greens. Okay, bese siza ku EASYEQUITIES USD American. Khona ngifuqa mama kuhamba kahle khona. You can see I've made some profit lana kuma stock esenga investor kuona. Adlulele kuona sidlulele. Namhlanje ngizochecka nje portfolio yami ukuthi nje which ones are losing, which ones are winning. Size ku Easy Property from South Africa. Njengamanje lana ke into engithanda vele nakhona invest imali eningi, but ama properties akhona cheap guys, starting from 1 rand siyaphezulu. Ningakhohlwa njalo, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a guy who's just to fundisa abantu. Nasi sike sesilahleka, fundisa abantu ukuthi yenziwa kanjani lento leyo invest. Sidlulele phambili, we going to what you call this EASYEQUITIES AUD. Nakhona no, sima greens, even if we're not making a lot of profit, but hey guys, khona lokho okuncane okufakayo, you never know. Size la ku EASYEQUITIES EUR. Yo Jesu, ngiyothola ibuko ngeke. Okay, lapha not bad nakhona, not bad, but hey, we in the blue, we in the greens, but we're not making a lot of profits. Why I'm making this content is because to show you guys there's no magic. Ayikho imali eqhamuke emoyeni in this. You have to work hard for your money. Akukho kunye. Hayi lena benga invest kuyona EASYEQUITIES GBP angayisebenzisi. Angaka invest khona, but I'm gonna start. That's why right now I'm trying more side hustles, try to put more money on my EASYEQUITIES, because this app I believe that we can make a lot of money on it, but you just need a knowledge. Funda, understand izinto zenziwa kanjani. Angifuni ukwenza ividende. Siyabonga kakhulu.